In this video, I will show you how to embed a video on Twitter X. First of all, after you open up your Twitter like this, now go and search for the video that you want to embed. So for me, I'll just go with this one. All you have to do now, long press your hand on the video like this. After you long press your hand, it will give you this option which says post video. Tap on it. After you tap on this post video, as you can see now it gives you the link of the video. So now all you have to do now, go and write something about your post, or just let's say I want to like same video. Just make sure you do not touch the link. So after you just write what you want to write at the above or below the link, just tap on this post button. So now as you can see now I post the video on my tweet. So now if I want to see the video, tap on your profile, come to this where it says profile again. So as you can see now, here is the video. As you can see now here is the video. I posted the video on my tweet. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.